India leaders are saying there is no problem.
मीडिया के द्वारा कि इंडिया अलायंस के बाद नीतीश जी नाराज चल रहे हैं.
In last 4 meetings we have seen there is a contradiction between the statements given by the India alliance partners. In fact, when we talk about PM phase, we always ask about the vision, because you have many leaders in your party, in your alliance, but you are not able to clear the vision. In fact, in last 4th meeting, Mamata Banerjee and Arvind Kejriwal, they batted for PM phase as Mallikarjun Kharge is faced as the PM candidate. But Sharad Pawar quoted the example of Morarji Desai. In fact, Morarji Desai was the Prime Minister who was not able to run his government just for 2 years. The countrymen, they want a majboot sarkar, not majburi ki sarkar. And that is why when we ask about PM phase, we always ask about the vision. In fact, since the time when this alliance has been made, we have seen n number of statements from DMK leaders, from JDU leaders, from SP leaders. The policy was divide and rule policy, whether on the basis of north and south, on the basis of states, speaking derogatory words about Sanatan Dharma. So you have to clear the vision. In fact, in last 2 days, we have seen, you have to tell your stand about the statement of Dayanidhi Saran as well. So you are not able to project your vision. So that is why we always say that you have to explain, because countrymen is confused because your vision is not clear, that why you want the people of India to vote for you. And as far as PM Modi is concerned, there is no one in the alliance who can be projected in front of the
Sanjay Raut says Ghisa Pita Chehra. Now before I bring in Dr. Mirje, quick comment from JVC. Tehseen, I'll come to you. Tehseen, I'll come to you. Let JVC come in, please.
See, Tehseen said juvenile comment. What is juvenile comment? Who asked them to give a PM phase? Nobody asked. It was Mamata Banerjee who came and said PM phase. It was Arvind Kejriwal who came and said PM phase. And it is the same Sharad Pawar who says there is no need of a PM phase. So understand, and when BJP fought the 4 state elections or 5 state elections and did not have a CM phase, did not Kamal Nath or Ashok Gehlot ask, did not Bhupesh Baghel ask, who is your CM phase? So you will have one rule when you are facing state assembly election, and you will have one more rule when you are facing the Lok Sabha election. Come on, give me a break, Tehseen.
No, I'll answer that. Can I please answer that?
No. Let's bring in Dr. Mirje. Dr. Mirje, please.
One thing I will clear, who will be the PM phase? There are so many dynamic and liable PM phases with India. With every alliance party like Mamata Banerjee, like Nitish Kumar Yadav, like Lalu Prasad Yadav, like our Honorable Sharad Chandraji Pawar, like Mallikarjun Kharge, so many, Arvind Kejriwal ji. And because we believe in democracy, because we live in democracy, after the elections, the PM
I'll have to